Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with SmartThings app for Hub firmware updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the SmartThings app for Hub firmware updates, start by opening the SmartThings app on your device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet for a smooth process. Log in using your Samsung account credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, locate the menu icon on the top left corner of the app interface. Tap on the menu icon to reveal the navigation options. Select Devices from the menu to view your connected devices. Find your SmartThings hub in the list of devices. Tap on the hub to access its settings and information. Scroll down to find the option for firmware updates. If an update is available, you will see a prompt indicating it. Select the update option to begin the authentication process. You may be asked to enter your Samsung account password again. Enter your password and confirm your identity. Once authenticated, the app will start the firmware update process. Make sure your hub remains powered on and connected to the internet during this time. The update may take several minutes, so be patient while it completes. After the update finishes, you will receive a notification confirming the successful installation. Check to ensure your hub is functioning properly after the update is complete. That's it. You have successfully authenticated and updated your SmartThings hub firmware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.